Political anthropology. Anthropological study of politics is devoted to understanding how and why power and authority operate in human societies. It includes all social and cultural phenomena seen from those perspectives and extents of the politics of closely related species, both living and extinct, whose comparable activities shed light on the politics of humanity. There is a general conception about the actioning, about the basic concepts of power and authority. Weber 1946, Cohen 1973. Power resources to any capital that enables and sustains development of influence and control over people and of other values, material and immaterial resources. Authority is the cultural sanction, allocation of recognized power distributed to individuals and groups to govern and for polity. It is derived from a presence of age, gender, descent group, membership, and or successful competition for a varied position among the group of eligibles. Authority can be enhanced or reduced by individuals and groups to diminish and maintain and expand their own control over valued resources. The robustness and duration of such changes is power determine the nature and the direction of political development in a particular society. Thus, whether or not the First Lady of the United States can actually change the authority of President's spouse by assuming new duties is unclear until several occupants successfully written and carried out new practices. Power and authority comprises first and foremost the operation of regimen. Each of these is complete of office holders involve the duties of their position by wielding authority in the society. The widest scale network of offices occupied by a regime is known as authority structure for a particular society, and the linkages of office holders to one another to all present legitimately under a regime is called a polity. The rules governing, limiting and expressing the powers and operation of an authority structure are the constituent of that particular polity, but all social groups, families, economic or organization, religious and educational institution and others also allocate scarce values through the operation of power and authority. All groups have polity approaches and units of study. Various approaches in political anthropology stresses one or more aspects of the topic at the expense of the others. The oldest approach concentrates its efforts at describing and attempting to explain the operation and development of human authority structures and those of closely related species. Authority structures are charged historically and geographically and then explained as both effects and causes. Units of study are different kinds of authority structures like bands, local, autonomous, chieftaincy, states, suprastates and the sub-branches.